What's going on, guys? This is Eddie again with RMC Miami, and you're looking at a very special car we have here, which is this Ferrari yellow 964 turbo. This is a 91 964 with 61,000 miles. Paint to sample Ferrari yellow, one of a handful Ferrari yellows known. Car is in really good condition. 61,000 miles. Clean Carfax. Really straight body lines. Paint very nice. Interior is very nice. All the body lines are super clean. Gaps are all even. Runs fantastic. As for the previous owner, it had a engine reseal done. See here, the interior is very nice. Pretty much stock. Does have an aftermarket radio, but it's one of a kind. You never see them like this. It's got H4 headlights. Super clean, no corrosion. Paint shows really nicely. Again, look at all the gaps, how they're even. Runs flawlessly, everything works. It's got heated seats, lumbar support, you can see there. Yellow seat belts, yellow piping. See there, the 61,000 miles. Super clean condition. In the photos, you'll see the photos underneath it. Very dry. Car turns right on. Does not blow any smoke. That's dead cold. Runs great. Show you here in the engine bay. I mean, in the hood. I'll show you here the inside of the tub, how nice it is with all the tools. And here you see the Ferrari yellow. Underneath, you see how nice it is. Super clean. It's got a brand new battery. Runs flawlessly, it works great. Look how clean it is under the fuel tank area. Really nice car. If you have any questions on this car or any other car in our inventory, feel free to call me. My phone number is 305-527-6867. You can follow us on Instagram at RMC Miami. And our for sale ad is on rmcmiami.com. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and hope to hear from you soon. Thank you for watching.